are some ways to future-proof a home for older age? The first one is obvious. You want to minimize potential slips and falls. This means installing grab bars, adding railings along both sides of the stairways, using non-slip mats in tubs and showers, having good lighting throughout the house, removing clutter and area rugs that could cause tripping. In the bathroom, swap out your tub for a walk-in shower. Install a raised toilet seat with some grab bars. Replace doorknobs with lever handles, which are easier to open. In the kitchen, make sure controls on appliances are easy to see and reach. Install pull-out shelves in the lower cabinets. New smart home features are your friend too. Things like voice-controlled lighting, thermostats, and appliances. Future-proofing can be done in stages. Start with the most important and add features as you need them. And if you are considering a move, be sure to think long-term when choosing your next home. If you're in your early 50s, you might not mind the stairs right now, but if you're planning to be in the home for 20 years, do you really want a 2-story home with the laundry in the basement? I'm Dawn D'Amico. If you're searching for a partner and advocate to provide you with the best experience, just call me today or click the link below to connect.